What is up, beautiful people? Welcome back to the channel. And today we're gonna see how to invite people to join Venmo. All right, we're not gonna waste any time. Let's get right to it. The first method is through the Venmo app. First thing you want to do is open the Venmo app, tap the Invite Friends button on the bottom navigation bar, and third, you want to select the contact you want to invite from your phone book, or enter their numbers, directly, or email address. Now you want to add a personalized message if you want to. That's optional, it depends on you. And of course, you got to tap and send the invites. Once you do that, boom, they receive the message. The second option is sharing a referral link. So the first thing you want to do is to open the Venmo app, go to the settings menu, tap invite friends or refer friends, copy your unique referral link, and share the link via text message, email, or social media. So anyone who clicks that link gets invited to Venmo through you. And of course, we have the third option, and that is scanning a QR code. So the first thing you want to do is open the Venmo app, go to the settings menu, tap invite friends or refer friends again, display your unique QR code, and have the person you are inviting scan the QR code with their camera or QR code scanner app. Once that is done, they get invited to Venmo through you. And you gotta take note, when someone joins Venmo using your referral link or QR code, you may be eligible for rewards or bonuses depending on Venmo's current referral program terms, whichever one. But the more people you invite, the better chances you have to make some extra money on the side. Who doesn't like extra money? Alright, that's it for the video, guys. Make sure you like, comment, share the video, and of course subscribe to the channel so you keep getting more awesome videos like this. And don't forget to turn on the notifications bell, so you don't miss a video when we upload it. That's it for the video. I'll see you guys next one.